Soka Gakkai's Youth Division at Mitsuzawa Stadium, Yokohama. President Toda declared, although a movement calling for a ban on the testing of nuclear weapons has arisen around the world, it is my wish to go further, to attack the problem at its root. I want to expose and rip out the claws that lie hidden in the very depths of such weapons. We, the citizens of the world, have an inviolable right to live. Anyone who jeopardizes that right is a devil incarnate, a fiend, a monster. I believe that it is the mission of every member of the Youth Division in Japan to disseminate this idea throughout the world. 70 years later, our current president, Daisaku Ikeda, continues to strive for the disarmament of nuclear weapons, sending a new peace proposal to the United Nations every year. We, the youth of the Soka Gakkai, vow to create peace and unity in this world and promote the importance of dialogue and the heart of our mentor and that of the Soka Gakkai International.